Hey everybody, good day. This is Michael with Become Fearless with Mike, and I want to share with you something very awesome. If you're looking to grow your business online, if you have an MLM business, if you have a brick and mortar business, if you have a home-based business, if you're a car salesman, real estate person, if you're a nutritionalist, a nutrition coach, a personal trainer, whatever you are, I can show you a great way to add an extra stream of income to your income stream and also grow your business at the same exact time. Listen, right now, if you're so frustrated with trying to market, right now the digital marketing space is like gold. If you don't know how to market online, then you're not going to be successful at what you do. I'm not going to say you're not going to be successful, but you're not going to, it's going to be a lot harder unless you evolved with today's technology and you know the skills and you create the skill set levels that you need to grow your business online. Listen, the more skills that you learn, the more value you bring to the marketplace, the more value you bring to the marketplace, the more money you're going to make. And I'm not telling you, money is not everything, but it ranks right up there with oxygen. So I'm trying to get this video in real quick, so hopefully I don't miss out on too much. But anyways, what I want to share with you is we're the only company that offers actual a physical business in a box. That means you have the opportunity to get an actual Google Chromebook for your business that's totally branded and set up for success from you, so you don't do the heavy lifting. You don't have to do all the programming and the setting up of funnels. You get an Instagram funnel, a TikTok funnel, a YouTube funnel, a Craigslist funnel. You get landing pages. You get a bridge page that's specifically branded with your picture in it, with your information. We live in a society where there's just so much AI, right? I love building up personal relationships. I like working with people that I know, I like, and I trust. And I'm sure that you feel the same way. So that's what I like to do, is I want to build up relationships with people. That's what it's all about. So with that being said, not only can I help you grow your business, like I said, online, home-based, whatever it is, wellness, nutrition, if you're a landscaper, if you're a car detailer, a car salesman, or whatever you do, a realtor, whatever it is, we can show you an unbelievable program that will help you grow your business, that will teach you how to market effectively online. So if you go to GFFworkwithmike.com, that's Get Fearless Freedom, workwithmike.com. Again, it's GFFworkwithmike.com. Opt in there and you'll watch a 7-minute video that's going to tell you not everything we do, but it's going to give you a good idea of what we do and how we do it. Listen, this is an education system. This is a training, education, marketing, digital platform system that's going to teach you and train you how to effectively grow your business. And you have an opportunity to make 100% commissions on what I'm talking about right now. So I personally love health and nutrition. I'm into nutrition, I'm into personal training, I'm into coaching, and I have my own YouTube channel just for working with people to get them in better health and better shape. Listen, your health is your greatest wealth. So that's very important. So with that being said, we have 4 packages that we offer to people. Listen, if you just want to get your toes wet, look and find out what our community is about, and that's what's great. We have an awesome community. Okay, we have a Facebook page for a free Facebook page for non-members. We have a paid Facebook page for paid members. We also have a Telegram chat, and we also do a weekly training. Not a training, but a weekly opportunity call where you can learn more about what we do and how we do it. Real quick, let's get into the 4 packages that are available for you. Our actual platform system is $47 a month. Undervalued, I can tell you that, because in this platform, we have the most amazing training that you can get 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is system dependent. What does that mean? System dependent. Well, that means if you end up sponsoring people and they get involved with this to make not only grow their businesses as well, you don't have to hold people's hand. This system will train them for you and train yourself 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 7 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the evening, 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, whatever it is, all around the clock. Very important. So that's $47 a month for this education platform. Okay, that is unbelievable. So package number one, it's only $200, one-time payment. It's person to person. So whoever sponsors you into this gets $200. You have the opportunity to learn from our training system, okay, and learn from us in our community. Okay, there's also a $400 or $500 package system. There's a $1,000 package system, and then there's what I call the Grand Almighty, okay, which is the $2,000 package. With this $2,000 package, okay, if you get started at the $2,000 level, you will get a Google Chromebook that is totally set up for success, totally self-branded with your images, your information, your funnels, your social media, everything branded just for you. That's why we call it a business in a box. You can't beat that. So again, go to gffworkwithmike.com. You can also, I'll give you my business number as well. You can call me on my business line. If you have any questions, you definitely can ask questions there as well. So give me a call on my business line at gffworkwithmike.com. My number is 1-800-691-1590. I have to look it up because I don't call myself. I'm sorry, but it's 1-800-691-1590, or click down below, gffworkwithmike.com. Excited to work with you, excited to help you grow, excited to build relationships with everybody I know. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.